You literally just need bleach and water. That's all you need. That's all you need. I hope this turns out great. And you open it and you're just like, ah, it just went crazy. Which I probably should have been. I wish I went so hard in the bleach. Then it got interesting. Hey, I did another project. Hello, my name is Hallie. I make videos on lifestyle improvement, life hacks, DIYs, wellness, and all things lifestyle improvement. If you hear lawnmower in the background, you know, I'll just talk a little louder. Okay, so today's video is about tie-dyeing bleach. Bleach tie-dye. There's a lot of titles for it. I'm going to show you how I kind of tie-dyed, bleach tie-dyed my clothes, and if it turned out how it was supposed to. Like this, kind of like this. Okay, so how I did it and how it turned out. Okay, so what I did was I took clothes that were all black and cotton. One object was not cotton, and I'll tell you about what happened with that. So I took a pair of shorts, a pair of leggings, a tank top, and a crop top. I had a sweatshirt that I was like, if I do this very well, I will do this, but if not, I won't do this till I actually know what I'm doing. So I'll let you know if I ended up doing that one as well. Okay, so all you need is bleach. If you want to dilute it with a little bit of water, rubber bands if you want a tie-dye look. If you want more of a spray bottle look, kind of like this, then a spray bottle, and a plastic bag so it doesn't get messy, and that's about it. Okay, so what I did was I took my clothes, and unlike tie-dye, I didn't really dampen them. I don't know if that really makes a difference. I just took them out, and I actually used bleach cleaner to start. So if you want something that's not as light but more of an orangish color on your black clothes, I use bleach cleaner. So the bleach cleaner turned out like this. It's a little orangish when you first do it, but then now these are washed and dried, and it's more of like a beigeish color, which I really actually like. So that's the bleach cleaner. I did 2 things with the bleach cleaner and then 2 items with like bleach. Oh, there goes the lawnmower. Okay, these are the pants. really like them. And these are bleach cleaners, so it's not as light color. And I only did the spray. I didn't do like the rubber band type look. I just took a spray bottle, and then sometimes I took some in my hand, drizzled it all over the place. So those are the two items that are actually kind of my fave. Then it got interesting because I couldn't decide what I wanted. I was like, do I want to do a design? Do I want to put some tape down? I really didn't have a game plan like you probably should when you do things like this. I just was like, let's start bleaching some things. So I know that I can only get better because this was like no strategy involved. So this is my tank top. I'm going to show you the side that I do like first. So this side I actually like, but then the front I don't really like it so much. I mean, it's cool. I had a piece of tape going across, and then I just went crazy, which I probably should have been. I shouldn't have went so hard in the bleach. And that's why it's like that. And then I also took the regular bleach that's not cleaner, that's not diluted, and that's why it's like this lighter gray, and it has lighter splats on it. So when in doubt, it's a plain tank top. I could wear it backwards or inside out. Inside out, look at the birds chirping. Inside out, kind of looks the same, a little less intense. Okay, then this one I'm torn because I feel like I like it, but it could have been just brown and black if I didn't add the extra bleach. So it got really light. And I did this with the tie-dye look. So I took a rubber band, scrunched it, and this one I did not spray. I did the tie-dye look. So I rubber banded it like you would do tie-dye, and then sprayed it and put bleach all over it. This is how this one's turned out so far. This might be my favorite bit. This has a lot of brown. So, I am gonna keep my pants this way. I like the way they turned out. I'm gonna keep my shorts this way. I like the way they turned out. I'm going to add actual bleach, not just bleach cleaner, to this, so it's more of a lighter color than a brown. And I'm going to add bleach so that this is lighter instead of this weird off lighter. I'm going to add bleach to this area, and then I actually try to bleach this because this did not take it all because it's polyester and spandex. So that's why this looks like this. It all where there was light color, it was brown. And then I was like, why not? So then I just took the regular bleach, and that's why it's this lighter gray color. So that's what it looks like in the back and in the front. I actually really like it. I just was like, the reason why I didn't just keep it brown and black is because I've been using a lot of browns and blacks, and I was like, do I want my whole wardrobe to be brown and black? Maybe. But I wasn't sure. So that's why I did that. I think if and I didn't go that hard. If I would have put a little bit more, it would have gone even lighter. Maybe even lighter like this. But I stopped. I was over it. It was on day 2. Literally day 1 was the cleaner bleach. Day 2 was the actual Clorox bleach in a big jug. And that's it. These are all washed and dried and good to go. So this is exactly what they're going to look like. Pros and cons. Pros. You literally just need bleach and water. That's all you need. That's all you need. And it's very, very simple. And if you don't have an outside area or backyard or something, you can do it in the bathtub or something like that. Those are the pros. Like, it's easy. Can't really mess it up. Spraying, I like because you get to see what it looks like as it's happening compared to when you do the rubber bands. You're just like, I hope this turns out great, and you open it and you're just like, ah. So I like the spray because it's like fun paint look. The cons, not knowing the different levels of bleach, because as you can see, there's like the brownish, the orangish, the grayish, the whitish. So not knowing all the different levels of how it's going to turn out, and that would be it. I like it. I love it. I'm probably going to do this to all my clothes. My recommendations on what kind of clothes to do this to: when you feel like you're about to give away something but it's still cute and it's either all white or all black, tie-dye it, bleach, tie-dye it colors. Well, if it's all white, that would be my recommendation. Other things you can do is, if you actually have a strategy, you can put some print, you can put tape down, strong tape, and then spray from farther away so it doesn't mess up the lining. I kind of just grabbed like literally any tape that I found, and I went pretty intense. So far back, far away, let it dry in the sun. I did not let it dry in the sun. Actually, I let these ones dry in the sun, so they turned out pretty much the same. The difference is when you let it dry in the sun is what you see is what you get. It's completely dry. It's the color it's going to be, compared to like if you don't let it dry in the sun, it's damp, then it's going to get a little lighter whether you bleach it or you dye it. But that's all. Quick and easy and to the point. I really don't know if I'm going to do more of these, but because I love just the color black, but I also like this. So we'll see how it goes. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Hit the bell, subscribe, because these DIYs are coming. Okay, I'm done.